Well, hello everybody. Chef Shaytree here. Yeah, here a month or so ago, I was using my 3/8 drive performance tool ratchet, locking head, flex head. Well, I had a little issue with it. For some odd reason, when I used it, the mechanism in here broke and spring popped out. So now it no longer locks, it's just loose. So I didn't do nothing about it. But here last Tuesday, I know these things have a lifetime warranty. So I called Wilmar Corp up, who manufactures this, or sells this, I should say, and told them about it. And all they said was, well, it's got a lifetime warranty. They don't sell parts. I said, all I want is the part to fix it, and I'd do the rest. Well, they don't sell parts for it, so they just send me a whole new ratchet. That was last Tuesday. And guess what showed up today? That's right. New ratchet. So I'm going to get this thing opened up here real quick. And yeah, I think I got me my new ratchet today. Open that boy up. Awful big box for such a small ratchet. There it is. Here's my ratchet. My new ratchet. Yeehaw. Well, there we go, guys. Here's my new ratchet. From the time I called last Tuesday till today is when I got it. But remember, yesterday was Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so yeah, a week out from Washington. Wilmar Corp is based in Washington. So yeah, got my tool, got my replacement, fully warranted. So yeah, if you like what you've seen, give me some likes, subscribe, and tell me some thoughts on what you think about Performance Tool and their warranty process, and how long it took me to get it. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Performance Tools. Kick ass.